What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. Of me just going through some of the previous cars that I bought from the auction and what I was able to sell them for. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell for more videos coming up. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get back into this video. This is a 2000 Honda CR-V. This was another car that I was not happy on what I bought the car for. You guys, buying cars in the auction, or about to start buying cars in the auction, some of them you're not gonna be happy for. Some stuff is just like spur of the moment type stuff. But I paid $21.21. That's $2,121 for this. I know, man, that was way too much for a 2000 Honda CR-V. But what's crazy is, man, if you look up these cars, at least at the time I was looking them up, this was back in 2017, but when I was looking them up, man, these cars were still like going for a lot more money, man. Like, people were selling these cars for like $3 grand, $2,900, $2,800, some crazy stuff like that. So I figured $21.21 was a pretty good deal. But as you can see, like, mine wasn't like in the best condition, so maybe that's what it was. I'm not sure, but I paid $21.21 for this car. Excuse me. The interior was pretty cool, pretty nice. As you can see, boom, we got a little that's broke. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, this wasn't the best car. That, you know what I mean. So make sure when you buying cars too, man, you really pay attention to what you buying, man, and really look at what's going on. And I think the carpet was cut out. Yup, see? And the carpet was cut out. Something crazy. I don't even know why that was cut out. Maybe they dropped something and it was starting to smell or something, maybe. But other than that, as you can see, the interior and everything was nice. The AC worked, the heat worked. It had 168,000 miles on it. Yeah, man, but I just paid way too much for this car, man. Thinking I was gonna get like 28, something like that. I winded up getting 2200 for this truck. I paid $21.21, so that left me with like 79 bucks, man. And then on top of that, the 4-wheel drive didn't work because I think the drive shaft was off. So that didn't even work. So it was just like 2-wheel drive. These are like 4-wheel drive. But other than that, man, everything was working on it. It was just not happy with what I paid for it and what I sold it for. I gotta be grateful that I made my money back. On all of them, you're not gonna make your money back. I done took a couple losses myself, but yeah, man, this was a nice car. I didn't have no problems with the way it drove or anything. Just it was one of them things where I didn't like what I paid for it. So in this case, you just gotta get your money back and move on to the next car, man. So I appreciate y'all watching my video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I got a lot of content coming for y'all. Like I keep telling y'all will not regret it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help your boy out, I really appreciate it, man. Make sure you hit that notification bell and let me know what you guys think about this car, man. Appreciate y'all watching my video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.